Hi, I am Saikiran Chavali from CVR College of Engineering, pursuing my BTech final year from IT department. I am here today to demonstrate my major project, that is on wireless remote controlled and gesture user interface with mobile applications and security key. So here I have come up with the entire demonstration of the project. Here you can see there are many peripherals being connected to the master system and slave system. So the master system has got one Zigbee, which is a coordinator, one mobile phone, one master motherboard which is connected to this system, and to the slave system we are having one more motherboard and one Zigbee. So in this way we are coming across with all this entire system, and at the same time here we have got something called touchpad for switching the lights on and off, and in this particular position we are supposed to connect a mobile wherein we can actually control our home automation system through our mobile from a remote place. The entire concept of this project is to ensure that when the user is out of his home, he is supposed to get the status of the lights that are being switched on or off, and the entire project is such a reliable project and affordable project to a common man that it would take around just 8,000 rupees in order to buy it. So we are here trying to make such kind of affordable system for every common man, and he enjoys all the facilities that a common home automation system has. So we are about to start our application. So this is the system panel, smart system panel, wherein the user is supposed to register himself. When the registration takes place, after the registration takes place, he is supposed to configure his system. This is the configuration panel, and once the configuration is done successfully, he is about to start with his application. And when he says start, so here you can see the panel displays that all the COM ports are checked first. So here we find that there is no error being detected. So now we can start off with our application. So I am here. Now we will be starting off with our first session. There are actually three major modules in our project. The first module consists of updating the profile of the owner system with his mobile through a remote place. From a remote place he can do that by just sending an SMS to his system. He can actually control the operations, such as he can lock his house, unlock his house. You can give a voice message. You can also do one more thing, like update your profile. What happens is, here we are trying to make sure that whatever takes place in the owner system, he will be sending, the system will be sending a message to the owners of the house. There are three owners of the house: co-owner 1, co-owner 2, owner, and there will be two neighbors for each owner. So in this way, what happens is, when the owner is out of his station and he suddenly loses his phone, and he is supposed to get the new messages to his new number, in this case the user or the owner can actually update his profile by changing the password. So we are going to show all those commands properly to you. Just I'll show you here. So here we are going off with the message call. We are trying to send a voice message to the system, and we are here typing voice command, then the password, and then the message in the square brackets. I am saying, "Hi Kiran, how are you?" This is the message that I am sending to my system. Now I am typing the number of my master system, the mobile number of the master system. So now the message has been sent. Here we have received the message to the master system that has been connected to the master system. Now here you can see.
Hi Kiran, how are you?
So it has read the message. Now the system is sending a message to me So I have received a message to my system. Owner has received a message that voice message delivered successfully and message was read aloud. So in this way we have successfully completed the first testing and the first message that we have sent to our system. Now second message I am about to send is I have here actually a password, and if in worst case if I forget my password and I am supposed to recover that password, I will be sending a message called recovery question Q:0. So what happens here is I am sending the message to my system again. So the message has been sent to the master mobile that is connected to the master system, and here we have received the message, and here we will be seeing that message very soon. Yes, it has read the message that recovery questions, where is India, where is CVR, and where is Hyderabad. These are the recovery questions, and I have got that message to my system, and it says where is India, where is Hyderabad, where is CVR. These are the recovery questions, and to reply them back I will be sending them the recovery answers. So these are the recovery answers. While sending the recovery answers, since I do not know the password, I will be saying recovery A:0, and in the square brackets I will be typing the answers and send them to the number. Now I have sent the message, and we can expect the message to be received. And here we have received the message to the master mobile, and here we can see the message has been read now from the mobile, and it is saying inbound message detected from gateway, and it has sent the message back to the mobile. Yes, we have received the message to the owner mobile, and the message is private key recovered successfully. Your private key is 123405998. This is the private key. So we have recovered successfully the password and through the recovery questions. Now here I am coming across with one more mobile. This is the neighbor mobile, and this mobile is related to this system. I am now going to show how you can lock your system and unlock your system. Initially, we find our system to be an unlock mode. You can see here the message has been read. Here you can see it is saying that I am in unlock mode. We are using a MATLAB tool where the programming has been done in MATLAB for comparing images. Here it is saying I am in unlock mode. Now I will be sending an lock message from my mobile. This is the lock command, lock colon and the password that you give, and then send to your house system. So I have sent the message now. Here we can expect our message to receive at any time. Now we have received a message, and now whatever event that takes place, we will be receiving the message back. Since I have locked the house, it will also let the owner know that the house is locked successfully. Here we can see now the camera has started because it is in lock mode now, and the message has been sent. So we have received the message lock command. But now here you can see, since there is a movement in the motion, there is a motion in the picture. So what happens is whenever the owner system is in high alert, it will send a message to the neighbor system through Zigbee, and here we can see that it speaks loud. The high alert message, it mentions the owner name and the flat number from where the high alert status has taken place, and it sends a message to the owner system, to their neighbors, that there is something went wrong in the owner system. And now we can see here that whatever high alert in the high alert mode, we find that the pictures and videos have been captured here. So in the pictures directory, you can see whatever pictures that has been taken during the high alert system, and in the videos also, each video, the system speaks out in the neighbor system that something went wrong, high alert, and it also sends a message to the neighbors. I will show you the message. The message is high alert message. Now it is saying that high alert message was delivered to your neighbors. It is sending the message to the owners that high alert message was delivered to the neighbors. So in this way, when the high alert status takes place, it intimates to the neighbor, and neighbor system again responds to their owners that something went wrong into the corresponding owner's house, and the same thing is being messaged to the owner's mobile, and they're saying that high alert message was delivered to your neighbors. So this makes our system more reliable, and the owner can rely on the system and on its security So we come across with this lock system. Now I'll unlock my system. Now for unlocking also, you just need to type unlock : and the password, and when you say unlock and send the message to your system, to your owner system, and here we have sent the message, so we can expect the message at any time to our mobile. Yes, we have received the message to our master system, and here we can see, we will see that the master system has received the message. Yes, now it has received the message. It is saying I am in unlock mode. Now the house is unlocked, and in the MATLAB also you can see background.
High alert, something went wrong in 45 house owner care at high alert.
Now in the MATLAB, once the files have been written into the pictures and the videos directory, you will find that it again comes down to the I am in unlock mode, and it writes 4 times. Now say you can see here it is saying that I am in unlock mode. So since I have unlocked my house, it is saying that I am in unlock mode. In this way, we come across with the security system by locking and unlocking your house, plus you can update your profile. And the third major module, that is switching your lights on and off and getting the status of your switches, we are going to show you now. Now here we are going off with the switching on our lights on and off. We have connected over here mobile to a master motherboard, and which is again connected to the master system using RS-232 cable, USB to serial converter. And here we are coming across with one more motherboard, which is a slave motherboard. In every room we are supposed to have one slave motherboard, and the master motherboard is going to get connected to the master system, and every slave motherboard is going to communicate with the master motherboard using the 2 IRs. And we are using IR communication between the 2 motherboards in order to send the command and receive the command. And we are also having a lot of integration with the IR for many other applications. Presently we are coming up with one application, that is the communication between 2 motherboards, and here the best part of the project is we have actually simulated the entire switchboard. The real-time switchboard has been completely simulated in this software, and here you can see this is the touchpad. This is the touchpad which has got some numbers on it, saying signifying H1, H2, H3, H4. These implies that we are switching on the light of hall 1, 2, 3, 4, and correspondingly to switch off those lights we are having B1, B2, B3, B4, and to switch all the lights at a time on and to switch all the lights at a time off we have the keys K1 and K2. So now I will be showing you the demonstration of the lights. Here we are having 4 LEDs connected to port D of the microcontroller, and just we are going off with this session. I have pressed H1 and it has started glowing. Now I will be pressing in this, and again in the system we have got one more best part of the situation is whatever lights you switch on in your house you will be getting the message out message of that, and here we have received 130 as the instruction command from there. That is it signifies from which motherboard the instruction set was sent, and that is from bedroom motherboard or from the hall motherboard, and now it has reached over here. Now you can see here we have the significant message that has received. The message has been received over here. Now here we are going off with the first situation, wherein here you can see the status of the lights. All are in the off state in hall. This motherboard situates to hall and this motherboard is situated in bedroom. Now we are switching on the first light. Here we can see the status. It is saying switch 1 on, switch 2 off, and all the switches are off in hall. Now here we are getting the message also in our mobile. Yes, we have received the message. It is saying switch status in hall, switch 1 on, switch 2 off, switch 3 off, switch 4 off. Now I want to on all the lights at a time. So I will be pressing K1. So here you can see all the lights are on, and even you can see on the screen that it will be saying switch status in hall, switch 1 on, switch 2 on, switch 3 on, switch 4 on. Even we have got the message to our mobile, to the owner's mobile. So it's saying switch status in hall, switch 1 on, switch 2 on, switch 3 on, switch 4 on. So in this way the communication between the two motherboards takes place with IR. Now since all the LEDs are on, I would like to switch all the LEDs off at a time. So here you can see all switch status are in off state in hall. This is what the message that I will be receiving to my mobile. Yes, I have received the message and it says all the switch status are in off state in hall. This is what the message that I have received to the owner's mobile. So this was the functionality with the help of touchpad. Now I will be showing with the help of mobile. In fact, this mobile has got the auto answering mode. Since we have got auto answering mode, from a remote distance if you call, it will automatically switch on the mobile, and we can start switching your mobile with the help of DTMF. So I will be pressing the first light on. So the first light is on, and here I can see switch status in bedroom, switch on, and all the other switches are off. Now here I got the message again saying that here I am trying to switch all the lights on with my mobile, and all the 4 LEDs have glowed, and even in the computer I have seen the status that all the lights are in bedroom are on, and even I get the same kind message saying that all the lights are on in the bedroom. Now here we have seen how the touchpad has worked for us. Now we will see how the mobile is working for us. In the mobile case, what I will try to do is, this is my mobile wherein I will be operating through this mobile. Here I will be typing 0 star. So when I say 0 star, all the lights are on and I see the status in the screen saying that all the switch status in bedroom, all the switch status are on, and even I get the same message also stating that all the switch status in bedroom are on. So now I want to switch all the lights off, so I will press again 0 star. So why the same functionality like we see in the switchboard also, wherein you press the same button to switch on your light and you press the same button to switch off. So again I have got the message that all switches are in off state in bedroom. So randomly or any kind of switch, if I want to switch on or switch off, I can do it. Now I am pressing 4 star, only fourth light will glow, and if I want to switch 2 star, only second light will glow, and if I want to switch all the lights again off, it will glow all the lights off. Okay, and the complete simulation of the switchboard we have done, and at the same time all the events that takes place, we get the message out of that, and you can hear the sound, beep sound of the mobile, and now it is saying that all switches are in off state in bedroom. As you can see, none of the LED is glowing here. So in this way we have completed the 3 major modules, and there are many modules to be integrated with the existing system, and that's all with the current project. And thank Hi, I am Saikiran Chavali from CVR College of Engineering, pursuing my BTech final year from IT department. I am now going to project my mini project, which was based on Zigbee protocol and implementing Zigbee. The project title is Wireless Notice Board using Zigbee protocol along with speech synthesizer. Here we are coming across with a new protocol and a new technology, that is Zigbee technology. These are the Zigbee devices which have been connected to my system. The concept of this project was to the idea was to ensure that we should make a wireless notice board in such a way that if a HOD of a department wants to send a message to the classrooms or to the faculties, what he does is he can just send a message from his main system to the coordinate system or the end system through Zigbee, and when the message has been received by the application software that we write at the end device, that is the end system, a notification has been received that a message has been received from so and so department, from so and so person, and the subject is so and so, and if the faculty thinks that the message that is received is a public message and it has to be read for the students, he can just use the help of the software and it can read aloud, or else he can read for himself. This is what the main intention was, and we have successfully implemented the project, and here now I am going to demonstrate the project. This is the main GUI of the entire system. Here we start off with the settings. Initially I am just deleting all the outbox message deleted. Initially we go with the settings. Here I am deleting the inbox messages, deleting the outbox messages. Now I am going to configure my system, that is in which port I have to specify my Zigbee. Now I am keeping my Zigbee in the 45 port number, and then I will clear the buffer, and now I am starting off with my application. Now the application has started. So when it is in this mode, you can see that all the application has started successfully, and now I am in a position to configure my slave system, or that is the faculty system. Here also the application is already started. Now what happens in this case is, now we are in we have the GUI wherein I can send a message from the master system to the slave system. Now I am saying that I'm from Kiran to ITA first year students. I am sending the message, and the message is hello class. So I will browse the file or the message that I want to send. Here I find across the test.txt. Here I am going across with the test.txt file. Some file I need to send. My software is as of now ready to send all the text files, whatever we can. Text files are there. So I have uploaded now. So now I am in a position to send. Here.
Message received from Kiran. Subject hello class.
So the slave system has read the message. It has identified that it has received a message through Zigbee saying that message is from Kiran and the subject is hello class. Now let us see what is the message that we have received in the inbox message. Kiran.txt. Here I have sent the message Kiran to ITA1 hello class, and then the message is, hi, this is Saikiran from CVR College of Engineering, studying in Information Technology, 4th year. And the same thing I can also read aloud by making use of my software.
From Kiran to ITA1. Subject hello class. Message. Hi, this is Saikiran from CVR College of Engineering, studying in Information Technology here.
Okay. Now we have seen that our software has read the message. Now I am sending the system message to my system to the in reply to the system. Now here I am sending the message in reply to the master system saying that Rahul, from Rahul, subject received, browse. I will be sending some test file again, and when I am in a position to send this test file, here I have received the message.
Received from Rahul. Subject received.
So it is saying that message received from Rahul, and it is saying subject received. And now let us see what is the message that we received here. The inbox message is rahul.txt, and what was the message that we have received from Rahul is Rahul to ITA, subject received, message, hello Saikiran, how are you, please receive my message. This is what the message that was sent, and even the same thing our software will do for us.
From Rahul to ITA1. Subject received. Message. Hello Saikiran, how are you? Please receive my message.
So in this way we can see that whatever message that you send from the master system to the neighbor system, the message and the notification takes place as a normal GUI that we see in our day-to-day system in a message sending and receiving system. Here we have implemented the Zigbee protocol. Here these are the Zigbees. This is the coordinator Zigbee and this is the slave Zigbee. We have connected it through USB AB cable to our systems. So in this way we come to the conclusion of our mini project, and by using settings, and here we have come across with the endpoint. Thank you.